Yoga has three strong philosophical and cultural influences: Vedanta, Tantra, and Samkhya. Yoga takes from Vedanta the idea of unity, which is actually the meaning of the word yoga. The study of the Vedas and Upanishads, or texts as the Bhagavad Gita, as well as some mantras like the Gayatri Mantra, teaches the true goal of yoga, which is the union between the individual self and the universal self. Tantra develops tools giving the yogic wisdom a practical application. In Tantra, Shiva and Shakti represent the duality of consciousness and energy, which exist in everything. The word Tantra is composed of two words, as you will find in words like mantra or yantra and others. Tanoti, expansion of consciousness, represented by Shiva, and Trayati, liberation of energy, represented by Shakti. Tanoti, Trayati means Tantra. Concepts such as chakras, the awakening of Kundalini energy, and practices we use in the modern yoga as asana, pranayama, or meditation techniques have their roots in the Tantric tradition. The form of yoga we know today is very influenced by the Tantric techniques to awaken Kundalini or Shakti as energy and raise it all the way from Muladhara to Sahasrara, meeting the highest consciousness represented by Shiva. This union between both aspects makes the completeness, the unity, and represents the highest pinnacle of yoga. Samkhya, from all the classical doctrines of Hinduism, it is supposed to be the oldest. Samkhya is foundation for yoga, Buddhism, Ayurveda, and it's also the base of knowledge of the Western psychology. The classic text Yoga Sutras of Patanjali have also a strong influence of the Samkhya philosophy. The idea of the elements as earth, water, fire, air, ether, and their qualities are part of the Samkhya tradition, and they help us to understand the interaction between body and mind, how to control them, and release their potential.